Hello everyone. I am doing just a quick tutorial on how to actually find a Zoom. And I am trying to, there we go, we're in the screen. So I will show you using block one and go from there. So here's block one English. I'm going to go over to classwork, click on classwork. Oh, shoot. I just realized that I hadn't saved something. So let me save that draft. That was me. I apologize. So now I'm all set. I'm going to click on classwork and it brings you to quarter one and some assignments that we worked on. Then it brings you to housekeeping info. When you look at housekeeping info, it has a lot of different things, and I've explained this before, but what we're doing right now is taking a look at the Zoom meetings. So I'm going to click on that, and you are getting ready for your English class. You finish up another class, whether it's block or your starting class, block 1, 2, 3, or 5. You go to classwork, scroll down to housekeeping info, click on Zoom meetings, double click, and up comes a document. If it's a Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, you click on this link and it will tell you for each block the time of the Zoom meeting. Then if it's Wednesday, you will come down and look at the time for Wednesday when we're all home and click there. I have this all set up for each class. So all you have to do is go up to classwork and zoom down. I don't have time to put the Zooms streaming every day. I will forget. So I just wanted to give you that heads up. If your advisory has Zooms, which you're supposed to, you could look and check under classes. My advisory has Zooms. And they will do the same thing. They go to classwork, then theirs is down below, but all they have to do is pull it up. And whoops, and pull it up I did, so that I could launch a Zoom meeting. Theirs is a little different because I only see them once a week. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And you can actually review this Zoom anytime because I'm saving it.